Hi, my name is Chris, and today we have the EyeVac Touchless Vacuum. It's basically a standalone vacuum cleaner that you could just leave there, push junk into, and it'll suck it all up. Now, I hate sweeping, but more so, I hate bending down to pick it all up. Partially because I have lower back problems, and also because there's always that extra line of dirt that you can never push into the pan. I'm hoping this will solve all those problems. So this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna unbox it for you real quick, and then I'm gonna run a couple tests with rice, cereal, dirt, etc. And then lastly, give you my review of the product. So let's get started. Alright, what I like about this so far is that it's plug and play. Plug it in the wall, turn it on, and it's already on the auto setting, which means that if the infrared sensor right here detects any object up front, it'll automatically turn on the 1000 watt vacuum. So let's get started with the tests. And it's actually quite loud too. Dog hair that I actually had to borrow from a neighbor. Some dirt. Okay, a couple quick notes before I get into the review. You can change the auto sensing mode to manual by pressing the power button. This is great because if you have a cat or dog, the vacuum might scare him with its loud noise. You then just press activate to turn it on, and then it's good to go. Also, there's an indicator light to let you know when the EyeVac is full, and cleaning it out was super simple. Just pull out the compartment, dump it out, you can wash the filter with water, and then just plop it back in. Really convenient. So overall, what's my review? I highly recommend this. It's super simple, convenient, elegant. It's plug and play. It's got great suction. It's got that auto sensing mode. I hated sweeping before, and now I kind of look forward to it. The only downside though is that it's super loud, but it's got to have that great suction, so I can see the trade-off there. Now, if you have, $100 lying around, I definitely recommend buying this. Otherwise, a sweeping pan and a broom, they still work just fine. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you for the next one.